Hello everyone, my name is 𝐋𝐢𝐟𝐞 and this is my friend 𝐂𝐲𝐜𝐿, and today we're talking about the life cycle of a frog. But first, what is a frog?
A frog is an amphibian animal that lives both in water and on land. It has lungs to breathe on land, and it has its moist skin to breathe underwater.
Now let's talk about the life cycle of a frog. The first step of the life cycle of a frog is the eggs. A matured female frog leaves her eggs underwater. The eggs don't have a hard outer shell, so they need water to develop. The embryo inside the eggs then develop and hatch into a tadpole.
A tadpole is a baby frog that has gills to breathe underwater. After a few weeks, it grows 2 legs and turns into a froglet.
The froglet is the third stage in the life cycle of a frog. The froglet is the stage where the froglet loses its gills and starts developing lungs to breathe on land. It also breathes underwater using its moist skin. After a month or so, the froglet develops into a frog.
Before turning into an adult frog, the tail of the froglet shrinks until it disappears. Now it's an adult frog. It again lays eggs in the water, and the life cycle of a frog continues again. If you want to see more educational videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.